Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Joy B. Bayubay. I am 34 years old. I have one children, married, but in my passport, I am single. I am high school graduate. I work abroad as household helper in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 2 years. I serve one couple and two children. My duties are cleaning the house, ironing, washing clothes, and taking care of the children. The most important thing of taking care of children are give them love and take care of them and teach them good moral lessons. To my future employer, if they will hire me, I will do my best to do all my duty. I promise to finish my contract and work with you as long as you need me. I hope you I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you, Madam and Sir.